Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a waterfall. First, select an ideal spot in your garden, ensuring it's visible and near an electrical outlet for the pump. Decide on the waterfall's scale, from a gentle trickle to a dramatic cascade. Sketch a simple layout, visualizing the water's path and where rocks will sit. Collect all your supplies, including a durable pond liner, a submersible pump, and a variety of natural stones. Next, begin excavating the area. Dig the main pond basin and then create gradual shelves or tiers where the water will fall. Ensure the ground is level and free of any sharp stones or roots that could puncture the liner. Place a protective underlayment, like old carpet padding, over the entire excavated area. Then, carefully unroll and position your flexible pond liner, pressing it into all the contours. Now, it's time for the pump and plumbing. Place your submersible pump in the deepest section of the pond basin. Attach flexible tubing to the pump's outlet and run it upwards, guiding it to the highest point where your waterfall will begin. Carefully hide the tubing beneath rocks and soil for a natural look. Double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and leak-proof before proceeding. Finally, arrange your rocks to create the waterfall's structure. Start with larger stones to define the tiers and guide the water's path. Use smaller rocks and gravel to fill in gaps, creating a natural appearance and securing the liner. Trim any excess pond liner, leaving a small border, and cover it with gravel or soil. Fill the pond with water, then turn on the pump and adjust rocks for the perfect flow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.